Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial video I'm going to help you learn how to change your Pinterest account's password. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping in order to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to change your Pinterest account's password and make your account more secure, go to Apple, open your Pinterest application, and if you are not signed in, sign into your account first. Once you reach the home screen of Pinterest, tap on your profile icon at the bottom of the screen, and once you tap on it you'll be able to enter your profile. Now go to the upper right corner and tap on the Settings button, and from your Settings menu, tap on Account Settings. Under the Account Settings menu, go to the Password option and give it a tap. In order to change your password you'll need to add your current password in the text field. Go ahead and type it in. If you don't remember your password, then you can tap on this link that says Forgotten Password and follow the instructions. After you do that, go and type in a new password you want to change to. Now on the next field, confirm the new password you just created by typing it again. Once you're done, tap on Done at the upper right, and after you do that you'll be able to change your Pinterest account's password. That is how you can easily change your password on Pinterest. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.